I'm going to show you how to make these holiday peppermint slice and bake cookies. So you start off with two sticks of butter, a cup of sugar, just blend it until it's creamy. Then add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of peppermint extract. And 1 egg. Until it's light and fluffy. And then gradually add 3 cups of flour and a half a teaspoon of baking soda whisked together. Just blend until it all comes together. And then divide your dough into thirds. And for one, leave plain, and then the other, add a few drops of green extract, or not extract, food coloring. And mix it up. And then make the third one red, a few drops of red food coloring. Then form each color of dough into a ball so it's just all together. 3 balls of different colored dough. And it's on plastic wrap because we're going to wrap it up. Yeah, it's green and pink. It's red, but it looks more pink, huh? Yeah. Do it for each color. Just make sure they're all the same length and push it together. Don't mix it together, just lay it so they're sticking together. And just lay it on top of the other 2 colors. And then just kind of roll it out so it's